Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn some English vocabulary about colors. Red. The apple is red. Blue. My shirt is blue. Yellow. The sun is yellow. Green. The tree is green. Orange. I like orange juice. Purple. She has a purple bag. Pink. Her dress is pink. Black. The cat is black. White. The snow is white. Gray. The sky is gray today. Brown. He has brown shoes. Cream. She wears a cream sweater. Silver. The fork is silver. Gold. She wears a gold ring. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.